Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will leave you saying, wow, I need one of those.
On the left, we have the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2.
Let's buckle up and dive into the comparisons.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $29. On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 will set you back $129.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit may not be the flashiest in terms of appearance, but it's designed to be discreet and keep your car looking neat and tidy. On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is like a car key-sized ninja. It mounts behind your rearview mirror and goes virtually unnoticed.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers 24 hours of surveillance even when your car is turned off. Plus, it has wide compatibility with most car models.
On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control and a parking guard feature that monitors activity around your parked vehicle.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit records videos in 1080p resolution.
On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 features Garmin Clarity HDR optics, ensuring crisp detail day and night.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit has a USB connection. On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing you to upload videos to the secure online vault and access the camera remotely for live view monitoring. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit for its easy installation, compatibility with different car models, and effectiveness in providing ample wire length. However, some reviewers have experienced intermittent power issues after a few months of use.
On the other hand, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has received positive feedback for its compact size, durability, and advanced features, such as speed recording and live connection.
Some reviewers have mentioned issues with glare from the indicator light at night and difficulty setting up wireless Apple CarPlay.
Alright, smart shoppers, it's time to wrap up this epic showdown.
Both the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 have their own unique features and advantages.
It all comes down to your budget and personal preferences. Whichever option you choose, you'll be one step closer to having peace of mind on the road. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description. And as always, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep buying smart.
See you next time.